There, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and good wishes always with you. I am very excited to represent the different collections of amazing door handle. The door handle and different locks of door are also available in market. You can pick the ideas from this and different types of doors, glass types doors, materials and steel, less steel and iron made handles of your doors. If you want to lock, then a lock type doors is also a lock type door handle is also available in different colors. Different locks mechanisms in which the same different types that is available in market is the padlocks, dead bottles, leave handle locks, knob locks and calm locks, euro profile. Different amazing ideas, you can pick the ideas and implement for your home door handle. Lever type most commonly used handles door is very amazing, and you can see that different ideas is available in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and get the ideas. Upcoming videos is very excited to representing for you for decorate your home very well. If you are want to your planning construct your home, then this videos is for you and my channel is helpful for you, because all these things that is decorate and making a good looking your home, that is available in these channels. Different types of videos in living rooms and ideas and room decorations, home decorations, all of you all in one in this channel. You can see that and pick the ideas